Electric field, we know the space around, the area around the electric charge is the electric field. Now we are going to talk about the electric field lines. Electric field line is a kind of imaginary lines which is used to represent the electric field. Okay, just keep this point in mind, that is enough. It is an imaginary line. By using that, we will mention how the electric field around the charges. Okay, so just if it is a positive charge, the electric field lines will be drawn outside. Okay, and if it is a positive charge, it will come towards it. Okay, so these are all the basic thing you have to know for the electric field lines. Okay, first it is a imaginary, and then where if it is coming inside, it will be negative. If it is going outside, if the arrows are outwards, then we can say it is a positive one. And then at any point on an electric field line where a tangent is drawn will give the direction of the electric field. Okay. See, if there is a charge. Okay. So we don't know how the space of the electric force around it, right? So if there is a charge, we don't know where it is, right? So if we are drawing the tangent, I hope you people know how to draw the tangent, right? By touching particular one point, right? We will draw like this, right? So when we are drawing the tangent for a particular direction of the given electric field, by using that we can calculate the electric field line. We are not drawing anything, we are not finding anything in your CBSE. So just remember this point alone, because we doesn't have a questions to draw the lines. Okay, so just make sure whether you know these 2 points. Okay, and apart from this, you have to know these two, whatever may be the line. If it is a electric field line for a positive, if it is an electric line for a negative, it will never cut each other. Okay, it will never cut each other, it will never cross one another. Okay, just make sure whether you remember this point also. Yes, so these are all the point you know. And when it was attractive, how the lines will look, how the lines will look if it is repulsive. Just I'm showing that. If it is positive, negative, definitely the lines will start from positive. Keep it in mind, the lines will start from positive and it will end at negative. Okay, so this is how you have to draw if it is a unlike charges. If it is a like charges, it will be like this. Okay, just make sure you know this. Yes, I'm just showing the question for this. Yes. An electrostatic field line is a continuous curve. Yes, right? We know this. The question is, that is, a field line cannot have a sudden breaks. Yes. Why not? And the second question is, explain why two lines never cross each other at any point. This is the question we have, right? So, why? Yes. If the lines are cutting each other, plus negative, right? I said already the lines will start from positive and it will go to negative, right? So imagine if they are cutting each other, if they are crossing each other, the direction will get changed, right? So we can't say that for, because here we are just keeping that as a constant. If it is moving outwards, okay, the arrows are outwards, it is positive. If it is coming inside, inwards, it is negative. And it will definitely grow from positive to negative. If it was crossing each other, okay, so if there is a line is going this side, okay, and they are cutting each other, okay, how the direction will be, okay, there will be the change in their directions also, right? So it is not possible in the electric field lines. Okay, so keep it in the mind. Whenever for this answer you can write, when a charge is in an electric field, there will be no uninterruption of the forces also, first of all, right? So there will be no uninterruption. And if there is an uninterruption, what will happen, they will cut each other. If they are cutting each other, there will be change in their directions. It is not possible. Okay, so this is happening. Okay, okay, The next question, yeah, this question, it is also 2019 past paper question. Draw the pattern of the electric field lines when a point charge Q is kept near a uncharged conducting plate. So conducting plate, first of all, we have to know what will be in the conducting plate, right? So conducting plate are any metal, okay? So if it is there, so there will be the positive charge, there will be the negative charge, right? It will be equal in amount, right? So draw the pattern of electric field lines when a point charge Q is kept near. Okay. So when I'm putting negative Q, okay, it is a negative charge. So how it will be? How the electric field lines will be? It will start from positive and it will go to negative, right? So we can draw the lines like this. Okay, so keep it in a mind whenever we are having the questions like conducting plates or any metal materials. Okay, that time we will have positive, negative together inside the plate in an equal amount. Okay, so if we are talking about unequal amount, that is a different case. We will study that in the current electricity. So here it is a conducting plate. So here yeah, we are just mentioning that it is in an equal amount. So if I keep the negative Q, so automatically it will move from positive to negative. Why, ma'am? I can't draw the line from negative to negative. Of course, no, na negative to negative, no. How we are drawing the lines? That is the question here. So it will start from plus and it will go to the negative. Okay, we can't draw the line for negative to negative. It is wrong.